The HAUXIY 9-inch Carplay Touchscreen DashCam offers a seamless connection with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to control various functions through voice commands for a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Equipped with a front 4K camera and a 1080p night vision backup camera, this dashcam ensures clear and comprehensive recording of your driving and parking activities, enhancing safety and convenience. This device supports phone mirroring for both iOS and Android, and it features multiple audio output options, including Bluetooth, local speakers, FM radio, and aux, ensuring a high-quality audio experience even in noisy environments. The built-in collision sensor locks and saves video footage of any serious accidents, preventing the data from being overwritten and providing crucial evidence when needed. With the parking monitor function, the dashcam automatically records and locks footage for 15 seconds if it detects vibration, even when the engine is off, offering additional security for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, with a plug-and-play design that connects to your car's cigarette lighter, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles without needing to disassemble the original radio setup.